To assess how different milks and alternative liquids affect soap characteristics, I thought I'd run an experiment. I'm making a bunch of 100% coconut oil soaps, replacing 50% of the water content with a range of liquid substitutes and seeing how these additives affect the final soap. I'm Rox. Let's get cracking. Today's milk is coconut milk. So, coconut milk is 18% fat and low in sugar, just 1.5%. With that, I surmise that this soap will lather pretty much the same as without the coconut milk, but the extra fat should make it gentler and maybe a tad creamier. Just adding the coconut milk to the oil before adding the lye, blending until the batter is properly emulsified, and then pouring it into the mould. This felt hard and came away from the sides of the mould when I checked if it was ready, but it was softer than it was pretending to be. It's a nice white soap, smooth, and the visual texture of the surface reminded me of the finish of silk paint. I'll get on with testing it. Well, it's bubbling less than I expected, perhaps less than the plain coconut oil soap, and this could be because of the extra super fat, not sure. However, it does get proper creamy. I like a creamy soap, though I know not everyone does, so I do like this. And afterwards my hands did feel nicely moisturised. Based on this test, I think this is going to be a really nice soap when it cures, and I'll find out when I test it again at a later date. Right, that's the coconut milk soap ticked off the to-do list. Pop in again next time when I try something different. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta!